Namaste, I'm Jaishree.
And I'm Nancy.
And I'm Tanishqa.
We all welcome you to the Biogas plant tour.
Imagine a big machine that eats our stuff like food scraps, poops and other waste, and tiny bugs inside munch on the waste and burp out gas. Can you guess what this can be?
Biogas
plant.
That's right. This is called biogas plant, popularly known as gobar gas plant.
Biogas is a renewable gas that is produced by organic matter such as animal waste is broken down by microorganisms in the absence of oxygen. Can you tell us some uses of biogas? The answer is fuel, electricity generator, used for cooking, etc. Let's dive into the making of biogas.
A vehicle with cow dung gets unloaded at the box which will carry the cow dung further into the conveyor belt. Now the cow dung will get transported to the digester and to the process center. The four main reactions that will take place are methane production, acidogenesis, hydrolysis and acidification.
Upon the completion of four main reactions, the gas is formed. Now the gas is transferred into the purification unit. Post purification, now the gas is transferred into the compressor unit. It goes to the storage casket unit.
In the final stages, the gas is being filled in the cylinders and biogas is also converted into liquid as petrol to use it in vehicles. Thank you.